Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video of my parents' ceiling fan. It's a Harbor Breeze Centreville ceiling fan from Lowe's. We put this fan up in 2014 to replace an air-cool made Hampton Bay Littleton. That replaced a Harbor Breeze Bella Vista from the early 2000s, and then that replaced a light fixture, which is what came with the house. So this is the third fan that's been in this room. Looks nice in here. This is not going to be replaced. This is permanent for this room. So, at least as long as we live here. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and demonstrate it now, starting with the light. It works. It came with 4 candelabra-based bulbs. 2 of them burnt out, so only 2 of them work. But it still puts out an okay amount of light. Still puts out enough light to lighten up the room. Anyways, now for the fan. Start it off on low. I'll move out the curtains a little bit so you can see the fan better. I'll videotape it from this angle here. Sorry, it's kind of a mess in here. Apologize. All right, medium speed. This one does have a humming noise to it, which is most evident on high, but yeah, still works pretty well though. Blows a good breeze, so I have no complaints. And high. Also, the blades are reversible from white to oak. It does wobble a little bit, but that's because the junction box is loose. If the junction box was completely tightened, it probably wouldn't wobble at all. Because the blades are in pretty good alignment. This one moves a good air. This one moves good air because it I don't know. This one just moves a good amount of air. Show you with the light one more time. Oh shoot! I almost fell. Sorry, guys. And we'll go ahead and shut it down here. And there you have it. That is my parents' 52-inch Harbor Breeze Centreville ceiling fan installed in my parents' bedroom. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching, and as always, there will be lots more to come.